If you're looking for shiny paint and perfect interiors, this probably ain't your video. But if you're into real-deal project cars, some running, most needing work, you're in the right place. These are 13 rough and ready classics, starting at just $1,500, and yeah, you're gonna need a trailer. 1. 1969 Buick Electra 225. She runs and drives, kinda. But don't expect to roll into Cars and Coffee without a little wrench time. Big green land yacht with a clean title and plenty of potential. Just bring a tow truck and a big heart. 2. 1973 VW Fastback Type 3, new engine, 10 years ago, and is on. It's been sitting since then, so yeah, plan on floors being crunchy, but the body's clean and it's rocking that original blue paint. Manual transmission too. 3. 1969 Chevy Chevelle. It's a Chevelle, but this one's a total project. Comes with a V-Watt and auto trans, but doesn't run. You get a bill of sale, bucket seats, and not much else. No grill, just dreams. 4. 1980 Pontiac Trans Am. This one's kinda wild. T-tops, racing cam, Flowmasters, drag tires, and a ratchet shifter. Needs love, but it's got attitude. Wouldn't surprise me if it laid rubber once or twice before retiring to the barn. 5. 1978 Chevy Sedan. Yellow boat with electrical gremlins. Engine and transmission are good, but that interior? Yeah, needs serious help. Still two-owner car with good bones. 6. 1970 Oldsmobile Toronado. Front-wheel drive beast with a 425 under the hood. Daily driver-ish. Still original paint and it'll take you places, just not fast. Seller says delivery and even financing is possible. Old school credit line, maybe? Seven, 1968 Dodge Dart, $7,500. Looks decent, sounds like it runs. But for this price, it better sing sweet. Not much info, but the orange paint gives it Hot Wheels energy. Eight, 1977 Chevy Camaro Rally Sport. Runs, drives, and stops. But that 305's got a knock. Rust on the quarters and paint is meh. Still, it's a real rally sport, detailed enough to make it on YouTube once already. Nine, 1964 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Original 330V white. Console shift, runs and drives. Rust in the trunk, but comes with a replacement pan and new seat covers. Just needs someone to finish what was started. Think of it as a parts and potential bundle. Ten, 1969 Novus S396 clone. This one's got a big block and turbo 400 swap. Not the original 396 or 4-speed, but still a cool find. Needs rust repair and bottom end attention. Not cheap, but not something you find every day either. The other 11, 1971 Chevy Monte Carlo. Straight out of Oregon, and not a whole lot of info here. Original drivetrain, non-AC bench seat. Comes with a spare door in the trunk like a bonus prize. "12. 1973 Dodge Polara. Big green and mostly clean. It's been parked a while. Carb needs tuning, fuel's old. But overall, not bad for a land barge. Toss in some new tires for the full asking price. 13. 1959 Pontiac Catalina. Killer body style, lots of new parts like brakes and radiator. Floors are soft in places, but it runs, drives, and even shifts. Still very much a project, but a fun one. And that's the roundup, folks. Real project cars with real flaws and real potential. Some run, some roll, and some, well, need a resurrection. Let me know which one's your favorite or which you tackle first. And hey, subscribe for more rusty treasures every week. See you next time on Cheating Out.